Number 13, si Mr. Telomania and Mr. Lacrelis Springwell. Number 28, Polintana. For the Nepal basketball, wearing jersey number 13, Aguiluz. Number 22, Telomania. Jersey number 49, Rodriguez. Number 93, Guevara. And Mr. number 10, the big guy, Lingard. Referee for today from the United Refereeing Association of Lubao, Tamayo, Richard Isemen, Commissioner Kobe Bagang.
Nald! Magtakit ka, Nald!
First possession for the Nepal basketball. Here it comes now, jersey number 13. Guevara, first bucket sa ating goalkeeper. Pupunta kayo sa number 93, Guevara. Nag-iba yung number mo, sir. Nung nakaraan, 53, dinagdagan ng 40 ni Mr. number 93, Guevara. Here comes now, jersey number 16, Retuya, to Latrell, to Mr. number 49, Rodriguez. Here comes now, jersey number 22. Slowly moving, looking for his teammate. Start bomb, in and out. Rebound number 13. Jersey number 13. Here comes now Mr. De La Peña in control, the scoring machine, using the body, puts a rubbish through, strong rebound on number 22 for the Nepal basketball. Now jersey number 22, bigay agad kay Mr. Aguiluz, number 13, slowly moving in. Crossing to the middle of jersey number 13, Aguiluz to Mr. Guevara, post fold, AK-49, negative on Mr. Rodriguez. Si Mr. Rodriguez din, nagpalit ng numero. Naging 49, dinagdagan ng dalawa. Here comes now Mr. number 22. Puts it on! He gets a lucky bounce on jersey number 22, De La Peña. Si Mr. De La Peña, unang basket. He scored 4-0. Here comes now jersey number 13. Kick out, the blogger. Ball fake, back pedal muna tayo. Sabi ni Mr. number 18. Way of the mark and a rebound on Mr. number 49. Rodriguez. 80-49 Rodriguez. Down the lane. Anna, body shot is negated. Rebound number 13. Here comes the transition offense. 42 Hoopers. Big again, big guy. Lacrelis Springwell, number 28. Kontra dulok para kay Mr. number 28 Polintan. Nandun shout out kay Lola Polintan and Mrs. Polintan. Talagang alayang sa ang susuporta kay Mrs. Polintan, kay Sir Polintan. Here comes now jersey number 13, Aguiluz. Kick out pass to jersey number 22. Back pedal, 15-foot line of Mr. number 13. Push out his negative. Shot like it's reset to 14. Here comes number 10 using the body. A good defense on jersey number 28. That's a good foul on number 13. That is your first personal foul on you, Mr. number 13. First team foul for the Nepal basketball. Here comes now jersey number 14. May nakita na Mr. Pakaspak, Domingo Kenny. Here comes now jersey number 14. Puts it on his negative. Offensive rebound number 16. Rejected in Mr. number 10. Lingard, the big guy. Here comes now the scoring fellows in Mr. number 22. Attacking the baseline, ball fake, using the glass is good on jersey number 22. Back-to-back points on jersey number 22. Score 6-2 in favor of the Nepal basketball. Bring down the letter on jersey number 14. Makaspak to the playmaker number 30. De La Peña in control on jersey number 30. Looking for his teammate. 14 on the shot line. Now Mr. Makaspak puts it over. Anemic siya na. Mapagalya tayo Mr. number 14 ng Johnny A. Si Mr. Makaspaga. Here comes now Mr. number 10 Lingard looking for Mr. Aguiluz. Aguiluz signaling for his teammate. Looking for the open man. A cross-court pass. Almost loses the handle. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Bigay kay Mr. number 10. A good pass. And that's all it means on jersey number 10. Outlet pass. And a counter steal on jersey number 49. Number 49 Rodriguez. A good defense on jersey number 30. Number 49 Runner. Eto, miss lang yan. Asuri miss, second try, puts it on. He gets a lucky bounce. On jersey number 49, first bucket, sir. Rodriguez, he scored 8-2 in favor of the Nepal basketball. Back pedal on jersey number 13. Exactly 6 minutes, 9 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Number 13, 14 seconds on the shot line. Puts it on. That's a way of the mark. Notat si Ayon on jersey number 13. Turnover na naman for the Hoopers basketball. Exactly 5 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. Now jersey number 30, Aguiluz in control. May pagkapanapon kang Mr. Bautista. Puts it up, safe spot, and a same shot on jersey number 22. Meron ka ng 6 na puntos. Talagang si Idol, yung talagang perimeter shot. Pamatay sunog sa kalaban, sabi ni Mr. number 22. Inside pass naman, the Blogger back pedal. Shot like at 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Shot like Suriseda in control of jersey number 10. Outlet pass, ito na naman yung transition offense. Tatlo. Ito na si Kibara. Puts it up, is negative. Big rebound, number 13. Who's foul rep? Number 93. Rodriguez out ko muna. Check in si Mr. number 17. Paule. That is your first personal foul on jersey number 93. Kibara. Second team foul. 5 minutes and 10 remaining. Ring jump ulit doon ni Mr. De La Peña. Here comes Mr. De La Peña. Slicing the middle. Gandang pasa sa ilalim. Acrobatic siya ng Mr. Ratuya. Here comes now Mr. number 93. Outlet pass. Ito one-on-one situation. Stop. 15-foot line. Lingad. Ilalapit using the body. Pinang lingad si Idol. Talaga naman. Ito si Mr. number 10. Humingi ng pasensya pero good lang yun. Para kay Mr. number 10. Oo nga. Pinawakan ni Mr. Del Rosario. Buti na lang walang pito. Now jersey number 14. Makaspag. Looking for his teammate. To the block. Number 18. From downtown. 3. On jersey number 18. First bucket ni Mr. number 18. His score 12-5. Is in favor of the Neptel basketball. Here he comes now, jersey number 17. Ang playmaker, yung magulang si Idol, number 17, Paule. Out of bounds, balik ang possession for the Hoops basketball. Ito, inbound ni Mr. Politan. Napakagwapo yung dati yan ni Mr. Latrell Sprewell. Politan. Yung buhok naman, sir, ha? Talaga, pinasadya mo pa yata yan. 3 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. Kick out pass, number 13, De La Peña. Elbow jumper. In and out. Ito na naman yung rebound ni Idol, number 10. Ring jump ulit doon Mr. Aguiluz. In control. Looking for the open lane. Para kay Mr. number 22. That's the same ball. A good defense. Kahit nakatalikod si Mr. Repuya, number 16. Nakita pa yun, yung pasa. In down play Mr. number 17. Looking for the receiver. Gandang pasa. Tumama lang sa board. Idol, sayang. Here comes now Mr. number 14. And out of bounds. Bigyan niya boss, mapagal niya. May karwa siya natin Domingo. Niya, ganyan nila papasa. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Now Mr. Paule, ang veterano. Kick out. Looking for the receiver number 13. Here comes Mr. Aguiluz in control. 15-foot line. Hand up and a pull up. Number 22 is negative. Big rebound. Reset tayo. Pinuhat yung defense ni Mr. number 10. Patience basketball ang ipinapakita ni Mr. Lingard. Meron ka ng 4 na puntos sa Idol. 2 minutes and 49 seconds in action. Number 13. Puts on. Too strong na naman. Kulang yata sa warm-up ang Hoops basketball. Ito na yung mga veterano. Si Mr. number 17. Fancy pass. Inagawan lang ni Mr. Makaspak. Basang-basa yung play ni Idol. Mr. Makaspak. Ito na yung playmaker si Mr. number 28 is negative. A sorry miss on Mr. Pulitan. Exactly 2 minutes and 28 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Now jersey number 13. Cross-court pass to Mr. number 17. Paule. Slowly moving. Fancy pass. Same spot and the same shot on jersey number 22. Official score 16-5 in favor of the Neptel basketball. 20 seconds timeout requested by the Hoops basketball. Exactly 2 minutes and 4 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Abante ang Neptel basketball.
Papagal lang ako, Will. I-video mo lang.
Detang mas yata kaya, pero kahit ang De La Peña.
Wala kayong dapat sipin. Kailangan.
Libre niya.
Kailangan. Kailangan. Sige lang.
Yung box out, Ribon. Wala lang yung box out.
Tuloy lang, Ron. Walang hesitation. Pag nasa yung tiro lang.
Parin Joe! Takbo ka lahat! Pagkatira, takbo ka lahat! Takbo na parin Joe!
Back to the ball game tayo. 2 minutes and 4 seconds.
Will, the first
sali.
In control, Hoops Basketball.
Ay, agad mo lapitan itang Kai, itang De La Peña,
2 minutes and 4 seconds. Sige po, sige.
Pangaraguda.
Pwede na naman sa menyas po, sige. Ako na ba? Maglalanda ka ka nun. Mr. number 14. Now jersey number 14. To Mr. number 13, De La Peña. Kick out pass to Mr. number 18. Sa flower, put sa laba. Sa wing of the mark. Eto na si Mr. number 17. Sabi ni Mr. number 14. Akala mo ibibigay ni Mr. number 17. Matalas yung mata ni Mr. number 17. Foul. Crossing to the midcourt. Eto na nga yung strict shooter si Mr. number 22. Balik kay Mr. number 93. Hesitation move. Down to 13. 12. 11. 10. 9. 8, 7, and a basket is given jersey number 93, Guevara. Pangalawang field goal yan para kay Mr. Guevara. 4 na puntos sa numero 93, Guevara. Now, inside pass on jersey number 30, that's out of bounds. 59 seconds game lag for the first quarter. Now, jersey number 17, break down the ladder. Sabi ni Mr. number 17, hawakan ko muna yung sabi ni Mr. number 17. 14 seconds on the shot clock on jersey number 17. Now, attacking the baseline. Gandang pasa. That is 98. Shot like is reset. Number 18. That's a whistle blow. Committing a personal foul on number 28. That is your first personal foul, Mr. Politan. Team foul number 1. Mintes ang unang free throw ni Idol. Politan ay Runner De La Peña, number 18. 40 seconds game clock for the first quarter. Maaga yung uniforme ni Mr. Deltino Baluyot. Maya pagkapanapon ng Mr. Baluyot. Counter steal. Ito yung matinig na point guard si Mr. number 17. Yan yung shooter naman si Mr. number 22. Looking finding the open man. The muscle man sa ilalim. Last stats on jersey number 18. Game clock natin, 23 seconds, 22, 21, 20 seconds, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of the first quarter. Official score. Wait, that's a whistle blow. Pushing down Mr. number 13. That is your second personal foul, Mr. number 13. Second team foul for the Neptal basketball. 4 minutes and 35 seconds remaining for the second quarter. Maya pagkapanako mo, kang insan, kang Poyamar, Bituga. 4 minutes and 22 seconds. Back pedal on Mr. Del Rosario. In control. Wide open from downtown. 3 on Mr. number 13 na Flagger. Pakalawang triple ni Mr. number 18 is score. 26-15. Labing isang puntos pa yan. Unang patay, abang na puntos ni Mr. number 18. Exactly 4 minutes and 1 seconds remaining. Now jersey number 17 to 18-49. Rodriguez. Looking for the receiver, shot like a 12, 11, 10, 9, shot like a reset. Ito, rebound ni Mr. number 30, gandang pasa, Del Rosario, reverse layup is again. Sayang yung pang-mighty pare. Here comes on Mr. number 3, 13, Aguiluz. Down the lane, puts it up his head, and Mr. number 13. Panaka si Mr. number 13, pero yun pa lang, yung unang putos pala ni Mr. number 13. Aguiluz, 3 minutes and 29 seconds in action. Sa ilalim sa Flagger. Nakabigwit pa ng foul, who's foul have si Mr. number 18.
Bagal?
2 shots on Mr. number 18. Unang personal foul niyo, Mr. number 18, De La Peña. 13 foul for the Neptal basketball. Unang free throw, Mr. number 18, Del Rosario. Pumasok. Last and the final throw, ready for jumper. 2 minutes and 54 seconds remaining for the second quarter. In and out, big rebound. A nice bounce out, hindi ka uubra dyan, Sir T. Tingnan mo naman yung balikan ng Mr. De La Peña. Napakalapad. Rebounds now, Mr. number 13, Aguiluz. Back pedal, 7 on the gas of Mr. number 13. Looking for his teammate, the playmaker number 17. Shot like is 14 seconds. 13, 12, 11, 10. Eto, rebound ni Mr. Rutuya. Here comes now, 40. Ito yung counter steal. Bigay pa kayo ka brother Paule. Hindi pa kayo inagawan ng candy si Mr. Paule. Out and pass the Flagger. Gustong magpasabi. Nakita nga ni Mr. Jersey number 22. That's a pushing foul on Mr. number 22. Number 22, unang personal foul on Mr. number 22. Team foul number 4. Let's see the first of Mr. Del Rosario, the vlogger. Narinig yata ako ni Mr. The Vlogger, kaya pumipikap na rin po.
Alam naman ako, nadati.
Del Rosario, shout out kay Christian Bartolo. Ay pagkapan ako po, ay Barsawan. Orendeng IP ng Mr. Sawan. Nakabalik, paano? Ako nang tagapulot. 2 and 12 remaining. Now bounce pass, Aguiluz, runner, pinabanda is negative. Shot like is good. Number 22 again, wala pa rin. Number 13, Piso. Pero, inabutan ni Mr. number 23. Number 19 for the green. Fouling out ka muna. Unang personal foul niyo Mr. number 23. Flores. Let's see the first of number 13. 1 minute and 50 seconds for the second quarter. Official score 28-16. That's in the final throw. Ready for jumper. It's good at Mr. number 13. Meron ka ng tatlong puntos, Mr. number 13, Aguiluz. Here comes now 40. The score natin 29-16. Yeah. Ito si Mr. Flores. Anong pakimo sa ko sa ni Mr. Flores? Sige, big rebound na trail. Esprigal, number 28. Ginawan ng paraan ni Mr. number 28. Lateral Esprigal falling down there. 1 minute and 28 seconds remaining. In control on jersey number 17. Paul, reading down the ladder, looking for the open lane para kay Mr. number 22. Balik na kay Mr. number 17. Gandang ikot, full rotation para sa Neptel. And a pull-up J on jersey number 13. Aguiluz, 31-18 score natin. Exactly 1 minute and 7 seconds remaining for the second quarter. Slowly moving jersey number 13. In control, looking for the man. Finding the open man on jersey number 13. 15-foot line and elbow jumper. It's given Mr. number 30. Kampias yung kalamangan na naman ng Neptel basketball. Score natin 31-20. Game clock natin 45 seconds remaining, 42nd period. Now number 17. Looking Mr. Aguiluz to Mr. The tower of power number 10. Napapigan. Ito na yung transition open. Open to Mr. number 30. Dala Peña is given at Mr. number 30. Game clock natin 24 seconds remaining. Now jersey number 17. Down to 14 seconds. Down to 10, 9, 8, 8 seconds. 8 seconds on the shot clock. 8 seconds. Game clock natin 20 seconds. 8 seconds pa tayo. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 3 seconds violation. 14 seconds game clock, 14 seconds.
Para last set, last set.
13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 44. Sana number ito, Mr. Pauli.
Beta perimeter.
Ayan pagkakapaka muna. Now Mr. number 14, back dribble, looking for his teammate. Now jersey number 28, Latrell using the body, puts it up. Negated. Nandun naman si Mr. number 44. Kapapasok lang, gumawa na ng istorya si Mr. number 44.
Jondo!
Number 44. Boss Odu Paulen. Now jersey number 13, Aguiluz. Susubukang dagdagan ng kalamangan ni Mr. Aguiluz. Jersey number 13. Looking for the strict shooter si Mr. number 22. Down to 14 seconds. Here comes now Mr. number 13. Puts it up, is negative. Loose ball, jersey number 28.
Pare, maging paluwarin, dalawa kayo.
Iwanan ni Mr. Latrell. Balik tayo kay Mr. number 2. Kick out.
Isa pa.
Mapupunta kay Mr. number 14. Makasbaga. Slicing. Bumangga ng bahagya.
Ay, sayang.
Shot likes reset. Number 44 foul and inside pass number 2. Down to 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Foul!
2 seconds.
3 seconds.
Ebon puro moves Mr. number 14. May patitira manibat ng din. Pare ko eh.
Papasyat ka. Pasyada ka
Yung jersey number 13, balik na naman ni Sir Guevara. Ito na. Meron ng 6 na puntos si Mr. Guevara. 80-49 is negated. Easy rebound. Second rebound ni Mr. number 14 naman yan si Mr. Makaspag. Now against Mr. number 14.
Bigay, Kleto, bigay!
Jersey number 14. Crossing to the mid. Got Mr. number 2.
Balik, balik!
Mr. number 14. Down to 14 seconds. 13, 12, 11,
Nice shot!
10.
Uy!
In and out. And a big rebound Mr. number 22. Ito na, tatlo sa labanan laban kay Mr. Makaspag. Ball fake, tas ang assassin number 22. Talaga si Mr. number 22 ang bumubuhat sa kanyang kupunan left-toe basketball. Double digit na itatalong puntos ni Mr. number 22. De La Peña, ito naman si Boss Odu Paule, ginamitan ang
Yes!
mga Boss Odu. Talagang home court advantage sa inyo Mr. number 44. Meron ka ng 4 na
Mamaya,
puntos,
pahinga mo.
official score.
Pahinga mo.
33-26. Africani 7-point lead for the Nettel basketball. Kanina double digit siya. Ito na, post move ni Mr. Guevara, kick out. Gandang pasa sa ilalim, intercept. Same ball tayo, 10 seconds on the shot clock for the Nettel basketball. Baseline inbound. 6 minutes and 42 seconds remaining for the third. Now jersey number 22, full jumper, negative. Ito mga itong sunod-sunod na rebound ni Mr. Makasmak. Inagawan pa ni Mr. number 28.
Bigay na, bigay!
Sabi ni Mr. Makasmak, bigay ko na sa akin, sabi ni Mr. number 14. Boss Cleto, out inside pass, Retuya, gandang
Nice
pahay,
one!
papandan. He gets a 90 bounce and Mr. number 16. Ito na, kukuha na yung team ng mga Jojo Hoopers team. Ang laro, here comes now jersey number 10 Ligada, 33-28 score natin.
Lima na lang, lima na lang.
Ayan. Number 13. Shot like a goal. Puts on a mistake. Shot like reset. Opportunity. Pagpapigana. Count to 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6,
Ay!
5. Possession ni Mr. number 44. Number 44 looking for his teammate. Number 14, the playmaker si Mr. Makastak. Cross court pass to Mr. number 16, Retuya.
Time out, sir, o sir?
Now jersey number 14 negated. Ito si Mr. number 10. Here comes now Mr. number 10. Outlet pass to Mr. number 22. Takasasi to Mr. AK-47. Easy basket of Mr. number 49. Mr. number 49. Meron na yata 6 na puntos. Isa, dalawa,
Sige, time out mo, time out mo.
tatlo.
Time out kami.
Sige boss. Reserve timeout kayo. Reserve timeout ka sir. Sige. Now na yung kulay green. Here comes now Mr. jersey number 49. Number 49 baseball pass. Takasasi number 22. Telapena! 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yung score natin, 41-45. In favor pa rin ng Nettel basketball. Harong position natin.
Ay, no, kaya na niya, ba't lang yan?
Last battle quarter. Nettel naman tayo. Brother, Jojo Hoopers.
Hindi ah. Eh, wala. Ay, kailangan stop tayo para bumaba. Gaya rin, magpagalno rin.
Last battle quarter. Now Mr. Makaspak. Kick out to Mr. De La Peña. Outlet pass to Mr. number 18. Balik kay Mr. De La Peña from way downtown is negative. And a big rebound Mr. number 18 De La Peña. Ang asi paula pa si Mr. number 18. Balik tayo Mr. number 93. Guevara looking for his teammate. Ito na yung playmaker si Mr. number 30. The left-handed player. Holding on the shot line. Inside pass. Matapagagana. Shot line is good. 15-foot line. The 100. Oh. Yes sir. Sa malayuan talaga si Idol. Sa malapitan na. Ayun yung sinabi na. Test jamba yung ano. Now jersey number 13, a baseline attack using the ball. Mr. number 13 looking for Mr. jersey number 44, Paul. Tumama sa mga good pa rin yan, number 18. 10 seconds on the shot line. Fires 3-3-3. on Mr. number 18. Pang-apat na yata yun, pare. 44-47 na precarious 3-point lead na lang yan mga bate. Ang Neptune Basketball, exactly 9 minutes to play sa ating last and final quarter. Now, jersey number 13. Looking for Mr. Guevara. Post move. Balik tayo kay Mr. Cross-court pass. Mr. number 22, Galapena. Down to 12 seconds. Philippine. Fender. Going. 8. Reasonable tayo. 2 shots siya. Pamilya ng number 44. Tinamaan ko sa kamay. Team foul number 1. Let's see the first of Mr. number 18. Bitin ang tira ni Idol number 18. 8 minutes and 36 seconds in action for the last and final quarter. Last and the final draw. Ready for jumper. Way of the market. And always ball jersey number 23 outlet pass. Ito na yung transition ng Jojo Hoops. Slicing. Leaving the defense and a good sarap on Mr. number 18. In and outside na pagkakataon, Mr. number 18, Del Rosario. Bring down the leg of jersey number 93. Mr. Makaspak. Baseline attack. Now Mr. number 93. Kinakawan ni Mr. number 93. Para 49-44. Balik sa 5 puntos na kawalamangan. Now jersey number 13, Galapena. Hintay muna kay Mr. Paule number 44. Slowly moving. Down to 14 seconds. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. And good fortune on jersey number 14. Papiso-piso para kay Mr. Pakaspak. Exactly 7 minutes and 51 seconds remaining. Bounce pass number 22. Puts it all over. He gets a lucky bounce on Mr. number 22. Galapena. 51-46 is score nothing. 7 minutes and 38. Now jersey number 14 Pakaspak. Crossing the midcourt. Ingal Caballo para kay Mr. number 14. Down to 14 seconds of Mr. number 13, Galapena. Slicing, 15-foot line, elbow jumpers negative. Ito si Mr. number 10 ang rebound. Dalawa lang sila sa ilalim ng basket. Outlet pass si Mr. number 22, Galapena. Takasasin, Graves, he count, 15-foot line. Number 13, yes sir. Number 13, Aguiluz, we score 53-46. 7 minutes exactly. Number 14, Pakaspak. Ito na naman si Mr. Makaspak. Diniscarte. Looking Mr. number 44. Gandang pasa sa ilalim. Gandang bigay Mr. Kuchuko. That's a way of the mark. Napalakas sa idol. Ito na si Mr. number 97. That's a bring down the ladder. At sa mga baseline. Masyadong malakas. Dalawa lang sila. Wala pa rin. Bakit pagkakaroon? Dito ang ating referee. Committed ang personal foul on it. Number 30. That is your third personal foul. Idol, second team foul. Substitution, number 23, Flores. Check in. Lateral Sprewell. Number 28, Colin Sanchez. Makaspak out ka muna, Mr. number 14. Check in ulit si Mr. number 16, Repulya. Let's see the first round, Mr. number 10, the big guy. Big guy. That's a way of the mark. 6 minutes and 59 dollars. Mr. Galapena. Now jersey number 10. That's in the final draw. Wala pa rin. Eto si Mr. Jersey number 22. Down to 10 seconds. That's a whistle blow. Illegal step. 2 steps remaining on Mr. number 10 Liged. Balik ang possession for the Jojo Hoops basketball sidelining down. To Mr. Paula, to Mr. Raguya number 16. Crossing the lead court on Mr. number 16. Outlet pass, the blogger number 18. Inside pass to Mr. Nice! Pull jumper, patayang butong iba ng Mr. number 28. Signaling for Steve, baba mo na ngayon sa amin Mr. number 22. Nagbago yung isip. At sa aking the baseline and the runner and the pull up is here Mr. number 22. 55-46. Siyam na naman ang kalamangan. Balik sa siyam. For the Neptune Basketball, exactly 5 and 33. Now jersey number 18, Del Rosario. Kick out pass, Paule. Inside pass, Latrell pulling back, umbrella defense, shot nice good. Down to 10 seconds. That's a whistle low. Who's foul? 2 shots. Number 9. Number 10, rather. 20 seconds timeout for the Jojo Hoops. Si Mr. number 10. Second personal foul ni Mr. number 10. Pas marami. Here comes out jersey number 18. Ang Asi, sabi ni Mr. Asi. Pagbaba na sera na. kunin mo na yung Quiney. Here comes now jersey number 13, Aguiluz. Tapos lagi, looking for Mr. number 22. Ito si Mr. Perimeter, ilalapit ng konti. Elbow jumper is taking it, shot block misses. Asi, that's a whistle. Having foul Mr. number 22. Kung
Lapitan mo yan lahat.
ngayon, foul naman ang ibibigay mo sa ating Mr. number 2. De Leon.
Yan naman na...
That is your first personal foul rather. Team foul number 2. Let's see the first.
Lapit. Ditak niya yung oras. Dikitan mo na eh.
Team foul number 3 rather. Personal foul on you, Mr. number 2.
Andiyan ma-foul kayo kasi grado ngayon ay para simbola.
Ito, wala pa rin. 4 minutes exactly. Balik tayo. That's a miscommunication. Wala lang ha.
May desisyon eh.
Now inbound is the number 18 to Mr. number 22. Sabi ni Mr. number 22. Ubus tayo ng konting oras. Down to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good yan. Tumama ng ring. Here comes now Mr. number 18. Natabigan ni Mr. number 22. A good tag on jersey number 22. Delapena. Here comes Mr. number 93. Kipara. That's a whistle. Nauna pa yung baba sa tira ni Mr. number 93. 3 minutes 20.
Sab na ka. Sab na ka.
Here comes Mr. number 28. Ayun, out of bounds. Sayang. Yung footwork ni Idol. Nagkalakan sa gilid. Masyadong malakas yung basa. 3 minutes and 18 seconds for the last and final quarter. Official score, 55 to 47. Baba sa 8. Ito na si Mr. Jersey number 22 to Mr. number 13. 14 on the shot lag of Mr. number 13 Aguiluz. Down to 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. That's a whistle blow. Who's fouled that? Si Mr. number 18. 2 shots tayo. Substitution na. Sino gusto to? Then 1 out ka muna. Retuya out. Then check in ulit si Mr. number 14. Bakaspag. Exactly 2 minutes and 42 seconds remaining for the last and final quarter. Let's see the first of Mr. number 22. He gets a like bounce to Mr. number 22. Daming puntos ni Idol. Double digit, nasa 17 na yata. Ito, 2 out of 2 pa yan for the free throw line, 15-point line, 2 minutes and 41 seconds remaining. Here it comes now, jersey number 14, Johnny A to Mr. number 13, the backup point guard, si Mr. Delapena. In control, down to 14 seconds. Now, inside pass, Paule, bali sa taas, bigay kay Puling Nandagid. Rebound on Mr. number 22. Baba muna kayo, milking naglaka. Tapos tayo ng contest sa shot clock and in the game clock, sabi ni Mr. Delapena. Here comes now Mr. number 22, down to 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. That's a whistle blow. 3 seconds violation. Agad si Idol. A good call. Magulang talaga yan. Now, outlet pass. Yes! 2 minutes! Bridging by Skyflakes. Ang lahat pwede pumatong. Here comes now jersey number 22, Delapena. Balik kay Mr. number 93. Puts it up his good. Mr. number 93, backup scorer. 59 to 47. Exactly 1 and 48 remaining. Boss Odo Paul. Habong laki. Looking for the isolation. Cross to pass. The blogger, Del Rosario. Fires the good. Rebound. Shot like 3-0. Here comes now Mr. Del Rosario, second time around, rejected. Inabutan sa kamay ni Idol, who's foul ref number 22. That is your second personal foul, second team foul for the Neptal basketball. 1 minute and 32 seconds remaining. Let's see the first time, jersey number 18, Del Rosario.
Dapat time out na eh. At ko balo. Atin pa siguro.
Yes sir, jersey number 18, the Blogger, 48 to 59. 1:32 remaining.
Sila bang time out din eh? Sila bang time out din eh? Sila bang time out din guys eh? Ilan pa? Penandit. Penandit.
Last and the final draw, negative. 1:32 remaining. Now jersey number 13. Ito na yung ball. Tinanong ako ni Mr. Aguilos kung ilan pa yung natitirang oras. 1:26 na lang ngayon. Looking jersey number 10. Crossword pass down to 13. Ball, 11, 10. 10 seconds, the zone is low on jersey number 13. That is your fourth personal foul penalty.
Ba't nagkalaro kayo sa ano? Sa ko lang.
1 minute and 14 remaining for the last and final quarter. May laro yata si Mr. Serrano for the second game. Blue versus yellow. Unang free throw ng Mr. number 22. It's good. For para Mr. De La Peña, 60-49. Official score. David. And the rebound, Mr. Polentana. May tangan. Outlet pass, number 30. Attacking the baseline, De La Peña. That's a good 14 on Mr. number 30. 51-60. A 9-point lead. That's a whistle low. 1 minute and 1 seconds. Kumita ng jersey number 18. Number 18. Penalty tayo. That is your first personal foul, Mr. number 18. Team foul number 6. Kapanikin ng Mr. Kelly. Mamiyalo ka, Mr. John Jack Kelly. 15-9 para Mr. number 13. Masih subukan sa free throw line. Ring of the line. Exactly 1 minute. Pag pumasok yan, sir, time out ha.
Ano time mo tayo? Wag mo.
Dalawang time out pa, Boss Jojo. Wag na daw. Cancel yung time out. Eto, rebound.
Sige!
May tangan. Napakabilis na transition. Napigilan. Gustong mag-free throw ni Idol. Alam ko na yan, Mr. Klepu. Makaspaka, number 22. That is third personal foul, team foul number 3.
Sayang naman.
Let's see the first. Again, pumasok. So, relax. Lilo, Mr. Makaspaka. The score, 52-60.
Nice!
2 out of 2. 58 seconds game lag. As a whistle low, number 18, second personal foul penalty. 57 seconds game lag tayo, Sir Jojo Del Rosario. Dalawang timeout pa kayo, sir, for the grid. Unang free throw, supply. Sayang naman. 57 seconds. Ready for jumper. Again. Eto, putback number 10. Not low. Who's foul him? Si Mr. number 28. Mr. Politan. Number 28, second personal foul. Penalty tayo.
1 minute.
54. Let's see the first Mr. number 10. Ayun, pumasok yung crucial free throw ni Mr. number 10. 61-53.
Tres Jo,
Galing na ni Manny score. Eto, rebound pa ni Mr. number 28. Outlet pass, hindi nabigla si Sir Don Rosario. Sayang. Eto, counter steal. Balik ang possession for ni Mr. De La Peña. At sa aking kick out pass, the trigger man. Fires man. Free. Signal mo na tayo, Nepal Basketball. Official score natin, 56-61. Si Mr. Del Rosario, apat na yata 3-point. 40 seconds na.
5 na lang.
Daming naitalang 3-point ni Sir Del Rosario.
Pare backspace sa gitna lang, sa gitna.
Ibang 3 points, idol. 40 seconds.
40 seconds. 40 seconds ha.
Basta tagalan niya ba?
Tawad mo pa lang ako.
Dalawang timeout pa. Both teams. Dalawang timeout pa, both teams.
Pare Randy, yan.
Coach, dalawang timeout pa, both teams ha. Captain. Boss Jojo, timeout pa ba siya? Dalawang timeout pa kayo. 40 seconds. Ito yung duty foul number 14. Si Mr. Makaspak Dalawa ka pa lang, sir. 39 seconds. 2 segundong natapyas sa shot sa game flag. Masusubukan sa free throw line si Mr. Perimeter, number 22. Let's see the first try, Mr. number 22, De La Peña. May sablay. 39 seconds. Mendez, rebound. Out of bounds.
Wala tayong time out dito. Malapit.
Last stats sa balikan si Mr. Bolingtana. Reset tayo sa 14 seconds. Tumama sa balikat, sabi ni referee. Engineer Tamayo.
Talon.
Hoy!
Oh, warning for delay in the game si Mr. number 28. That's a good call. Ito yung inbound. Looking for the Nago play. Ito ang outlet. Ito. Was foul again. Number 14. Talagang bisa niya mag-graduate si Mr. number 14. Pangatlo. Para sa iyo, sir. Let's see the first one, Mr. Taasi Paulaba. He gets a lucky bounce. Napasok pa sa hangin si Mr. number 18. De La Peña, 62 to 56. Last in the final draw. Ternover. 36 seconds game clock. 36 seconds. Now jersey number 14, Pakistan in control. Looking for Mr. Tanaga. Point guard si Mr. number 13, De La Peña attacking the baseline. Ipinila this again. Big rebound. Balik tayo Mr. number 13. To Mr. Hernando Osana. Reset. Tapos si Mr. number 18. Game clock natin. 16 seconds. That's the reason low. Si Mr. number 44. Number 44. Second personal foul ni Mr. number 44. Penalty. 15 seconds na lang tayo. 15 seconds game flag. Sayang na pagkakataon. Jojo A. In and out yung crucial 3-point line. Idol, pang-anim sana yun para sa'yo, Mr. Del Rosario. Sayang. Let's see the first on Mr. number 22. He gets a lucky bounce. Talagang yung lucky bounce yung pumatay sa opensa ng Jojo Hoops. He scores 63 to 56. Negative 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Final score 63-56.
Dapat hindi si 2 points na ito eh.
Congratulations for them. Sa unang laro.
Ano, Jo, talo?
Yo, talo pare. Talo.
Talo, talo.
Manalo mo talo.
Nice bossing. 5 triple yun. Record yan. Record yan. 24 basketball tournament para kay Mr. Del Rosario. Second game natin, yellow versus blue.
Dami 3 points na, Jo, ano?
Sayang. Yung huli,
Di pa pumasok yung ano, no? Pumasok yung huli. Oo.
Hindi ako, may mauna na ako.